Hello everyone. So today's topic is write a C program for Fibonacci series. Now, in my previous video, you will find the meaning of Fibonacci series. Okay, so all of you check for the meaning of Fibonacci series first, and then come back here for C program, like how we can implement or how we can execute. Okay, so first of all, two header files here, that is hash include stdio.h and hash include convo.h. Then in void main function, we have declared actually total five variables, that is a, b, and c, and then I, and then number and o. Okay, so total five variables we have declared. Now here in the next line, you all can see that a equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. That means we are initializing a with 0 and b equal to 1 just to start the Fibonacci series so that we can go ahead. Okay, now here we are writing one printf statement, that is nothing but enter the number till you want to print series. Means exactly you want first three numbers, first five numbers, first seven numbers, first 10 numbers of Fibonacci series, what exactly you want. So here you have to enter. Okay, for example, if I enter 8, okay, so what is the meaning of 8? 8 means I want first 8 numbers of Fibonacci series. It is not like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, it is not like that. I want first 8 numbers of Fibonacci series. Okay, so let's say for example here you have entered 5, which means you want first 5 numbers of Fibonacci series, and for that we have used scanf, that is %d and ampersand and o. Okay, so that number will get stored in this variable. Now first of all, we are printing these two numbers, that is printf a and printf b, as it is only, that is 0 and 1. So obviously out of that 5, the two numbers for sure is nothing but 0 and 1 for sure. Okay, now what about remaining three numbers? So then only we can get first five numbers, right? So now how to find remaining three numbers? So for that we have used for loop, and we are writing also I equal to 3 because we are done with first and second number. That is this thing, first and second number is nothing but 0 and 1. So we are done with first two numbers, so it has to start with the third number, that is I equal to 3. Then I less than equal to number means here 5, so means 3 less than equal to 5. So obviously if 3 less than equal to 5, condition is true only, so it will go inside of this for loop. Okay, so c is equal to a plus b, which means 0 plus 1, so c is equal to 1, and then printf c. So this is your first number of Fibonacci series, second number of Fibonacci series, and this is your third number of Fibonacci series, which means till now the answer is 0, 1 and 1. Okay, now we are swapping a equal to b and b equal to c. So b values in a and c value in what? B. Then closing bracket indicates go back to for loop. Again here I plus plus. So new value of I is what? 4. Again here 4 less than equal to 5. Condition is true. Again it will go inside over here. Okay, c equal to a plus b. As per this two statement, the latest value of a and b is 1 and 1, not 0 1. It is 1 and 1. And because of that you will get c is equal to what? 2. So fourth number it will print as what? 2. So our series is like 0, 1, 1 and 2. Again we are swapping a equal to b and b equal to c. Then again for loop I plus plus, that is now the value of I is what? 5. Again it will check for condition 5 less than equal to 5. Obviously condition is true. So again it will go inside of this for loop. Again c equal to a plus b. So again it will be like 1 plus 2, and answer is what? 3. So here it will print our fifth number, that is 3. Okay, that means our series is like this: 0 1 1 2 and 3, first five numbers. Okay, again we are swapping also. Okay, and then again go back here I plus plus. Now the value of I is what? 6. Now if we will check the condition here, 6 less than equal to 5, so obviously we know that condition is false. So it will come out of this for loop and directly get ch function and close the bracket, which means we will get the output or answer as 0 1 1 2 and 3. So here you all can see the answer. Enter the number till you want to print a series, that is 5. So 0 1 1 2 and 3. Okay, thank you all.